So some sell cars, houses, groceries. Some sell bullshit. Some like bullshit, some like cars, some like certain groceries, some like this, some like that. It's all just innocently this. Claiming that some sell bullshit or not, and the liking of that claim or not, is already just simply this. There's nothing wrong with selling some beautiful non-duality bullshit and getting paid by it. It all has its so-called purpose in this beautiful thisness. It all has its place in this placeless thisness. And this is free to sell crap. And it's free to buy crap, to like crap, to love crap. To think that more crap, more thoughts, more ideas, other thoughts, other ideas will save your ass. This is free to believe that shifting one thought for another thought, which is basically just another thought, will help you. It's just simply this. This is free to be whatever it's claimed to be, suggested to be, felt to be, done to be. Yes, it's so beautiful. Claiming that thoughts are this, or that thoughts are not, or that thoughts are existing or not existing, or that there is no you and thoughts, is already just simply this, as is the liking of all those beautiful thoughts, suggestions, ideas, beliefs, and selling them like fresh baked cookies. People standing in line, gathering to hear the latest non-dual spiritual one-liners, lining up like lining up in front of a supermarket where everything is half price. Yes, it's so natural, it's so beautiful, it's so naturally, beautifully, just simply this, whatever is happening, as it's making fun of it. It's just too funny. And the making fun of it, or the making serious, or the making it serious is already just simply this. This is it, the whole enchilada. The liking, the loving, the selling, the buying, the hating, the making fun of it, the talking, the crying, the please, please help me out of dream, help me out of my dream and bring me into reality. Please help me drop the me, you know. It's breathing down my neck. It's already just simply this. Free. Free like the birds flying. It's already free. It's already freedom, that's all what is, and not even that. Free like the leaves falling, turning yellow on the trees. Free like the grass to grow, how it grows. There's no one in the little grass there making it grow as a separated grass grower in the grass. There's just simply this. Words, trees, the sky, the ground, a car. That's it already.